Hello, Namaskar. How are you all doing? Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is Anita Ajaypai bringing you the career guidance for the week 15th to the 21st April 2024. Please note this is a general reading. In case you get to see this, and if you resonate, only then consider it. Otherwise, please ignore the message. Okay, so for all those who regularly visit my channel and get to see the video, let me give you the guidance from the tarot cards for this week with respect to your career. Now, people who are into business, people who are professionals, uh, people who are planning to start your business or any kind of work, this is for you. Basically, it's purely a career reading and there's nothing else involved here. For a few, it might look like you've got an opportunity in your hands, but you're not seeing it. There is the opportunity knocking at your door, but you're just not realizing and you're ignoring it again and again. Also, for a few, you have entangled yourself in so much of judgment that no matter who is bringing you the fame, who is bringing you the opportunity, you are just not willing to receive it. For a few, you're going to do excellently well. Uh, लग रहा है कि आप अपनी मनचाहा जॉब मिल जाएगा आपको या जो भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो उसमें आपको सफलता भी मिल जाएगी. Things are looking like it's going to be good for you. For a few, you're so balanced with your mind and body that you are very clear कि कहाँ पे किसको कैसे बात करना है, किसके साथ कैसे रिश्ता निभाना है with respect to your business, with respect to your professional work, with respect to your colleagues and stuff. और कितना इन्वेस्ट करना है, कितना रखना, कितना सेव करना है, कैसे मैनेज करना है, ये सब आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से पता है. बट वहीं पे थोड़े लोगों को ऐसा भी है कि आप जितना भी कमा लो, आप वो विक्टिमहुड से बाहर नहीं आ रहे हो. समहाउ यू आर engulfed in so much of debt कि आप उससे निकल ही नहीं पा रहे हो और इसी बात से आपके घर वाले भी आपसे बहुत परेशान है कि जितना भी कमा रहे हो आपको मिल नहीं रहा है. Now, most of you have a common thing that is getting into a victim zone, judging themselves so much, criticizing so much that किसी और की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है आके ताने मारने के लिए. आप खुद ही अपने आप को इतना जज कर रहे हो, विक्टिमाइज़ कर रहे हो कि कोई और आके आपको ताने मारे उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. एग्ज़ैक्टली दैट्स व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. सो सब चीज़ों का एक ब्यूटीफुल सॉल्यूशन ये है. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी भाई पॉज़िटिविटी लेके आओ, मेडिटेशन करो क्योंकि हर बार यही बोलती हूँ। आज मैं ये डेफ़िनेटली नहीं बोलूँगी कि आप पॉज़िटिविटी लेके आओ या मेडिटेशन करो। आज मैं आपको दूसरा एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल रेमेडी देती हूँ जो मैं फ़ॉलो करती हूँ। अगर हो सके तो ट्रैवल करो। 2 दिन के लिए जस्ट गो अवे और स्टे अवे फ्रॉम योर डिजिटल वर्ल्ड। जो भी डिजिटलाइज़्ड वर्ल्ड है ना, चाहे आपका टीवी हो, चाहे आपका फ़ोन हो, टैब हो, including your watch, what you're wearing, just be away from this digital world for 2 days. If you can't do it for 2 days, आपको बहुत तकलीफ होती है, so stay away from it at least for 2 hours. Like literally, अब ये मत कहना कि मैं सब बंद करके सो जाऊंगा या सो जाऊंगी. Sorry, सोने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. You have to stay away from the digital world. You have to just get rid of your phones and tabs and TV and music and everything. Like literally no electronic goods around you other than your AC if you require. In fact, I wouldn't suggest you to be around AC also. शाम को या तो टेरेस पे टहलने चले जाओ, या तो गार्डन में टहलने चले जाओ, या तो मंदिर चले जाओ, चर्च चले जाओ, मस्जिद चले जाओ, जहाँ आपको थोड़ा सा सुकून महसूस होता है. प्लीज गो टू दैट प्लेस where you find calm, where you find bliss, where you feel peaceful. Please go to that place so that you can work on yourself. When you start questioning yourself, that is when you get the answers. Just ask the question, what is right about this particular thing which I'm not getting? How do I change this? How does it get any better than this? What else is possible here? These are some beautiful questions from Access Consciousness. You can always use them, it will really help you. ये सब अगर आप कर लो, अगर आधा घंटा भी इफ यू आर अवे फ्रॉम योर फोन्स, ट्रस्ट मी, आपका बहुत सारा दिमाग खुल जाएगा. यू विल फील रिलैक्स्ड, यू विल फील नाइस. And for a few people who practice healing modalities or who have healers who can get connected with your healers, please get a Reiki session or a Access session or any kind of healing you believe in. And for the people who do not believe in healing and things, just go and meditate. अभी बोल रही हूँ meditate कर लेना. That's my favorite and the last resort. जब आप कुछ किसी चीज़ पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते, meditation is the best thing. अपने अंदर झांकिए, meditate on the favorite color, meditate on your favorite deity, meditate on your favorite place, meditate with your visualization exercise, listen to the podcast. You will surely get some insights. Yes, this week can be a little difficult for professionals and for the business people out there. It's just that stop judging yourself. दूसरों के judgments को अपना बना के मत रखिएगा. थोड़ा सा आराम से रहिएगा. Things will get better. ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लीजिए. बाकी travel if possible, just go out with your family, go out with your friends just for 2 days, relax and come back, and you will surely do well. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.